Hi, how's it going, my friends? I hope everyone is doing well and safe. We just need to follow social distancing to keep ourselves and others safe. Well, I just don't want to speak on that because about this coronavirus social distancing thing, I've got some problem, some serious problem. Well, I got some skin problems and I had to go through doctor appointments, checkups and medicines, and I'm still not fully cured. Yet your girl got to film some hairstyles for you guys. So sorry for not being up with you guys with my regular posts. Anyways, yeah, hopefully you find some inspiration from these hairstyles and enjoy watching. And if you do, please be sure to subscribe my channel. Click that notification bell icon to get notified on my new posts. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite and why. Okay, so for our first hairstyle, I'm taking some of my hair from the top of my head and I'm taking almost half of my hair and then tying that into a half up ponytail with a hair tie. Alright, so next I'm adding a scrunchie on it to give it the finishing touch and our hairstyle is done. How easy and effortless is it? It looks so classy. You can wear it on the go, and I love this half up and half down hairstyle with scrunchie. Next, I'm pulling some hair at the front of my head for some volume and then adding the hair scrunchie, and our hairstyle is done. Okay, so another easy peasy hairstyle is this hairstyle. High ponytail, not that super high though, as I have got long hair and it doesn't hold high for long. Anyway, so I'm catching all of my hair and tying that into a high ponytail and securing that with a hair tie. Alright, so next I'm pinching some hair at the front side of my head so that it doesn't look that flat, and adding the hair scrunchie to finish it off. And our hairstyle, ponytail hairstyle with scrunchie is done. So cute, I love this, I love it all. Alright, so this hairstyle is one of my favorite and honestly most worn hairstyle, regular 3-strand braid hairstyle. So I'm first middle parting my hair into kind of 2 equal sections, then I'm starting it off with my left hand side sectioned hair. I'm making a regular 3-strand braid way all the way down, as long as you would like to go for your hair, depending on your hair length. Alright, so when I done braiding, I secured the end with a hair tie and then I'm pinching my braid stitches for some volume and bubble texture. And oh my god, this is how it turned out to be like. I am so obsessed, it looks so pretty. Alright, so next I'm adding this scrunchie on it and starting braiding the other section of my hair. I braid that all the way down, then I secure the end with a hair tie and pinch my braid stitches and add this scrunchie at the end. And our 3-strand regular braid hairstyle with scrunchie is done. A simple 3-strand braid could look this gorgeous and classy. We just need to play good with it, like pinch the braids and add some colorful scrunchie. I love this hairstyle.